Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over no PG auto loans with Ally Bank, Ally Financial. I covered this in the past video, but I also covered other banks. So this one is just about Ally Bank. Getting a no PG in the business name only, no personal guarantee. I spoke to them on the phone a couple times now, and right on their website it also shows what I'm going to be talking about, no PG business auto loan. So if you want to get a lease or buy a new or used vehicle in your business name only, this video is definitely for you, so stay tuned. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, smash that thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. Don't forget to turn the notifications on. So, let me show you guys on their website. They have all these other different products like specialty vehicle financing, heavy duty truck financing, and smart leases, commercial line of credit. For the commercial line of credit, you need to actually fill out the commercial line of credit application in PDF and send it in to them. But that's not what we're going to talk about today because I didn't get the data points on that for being a personal guarantee or not. So right here you can see financing in the business name. If you're looking to finance commercial vehicles in the business, in the name of your business without affecting your personal credit, Ally features two solutions. So they have a solution for third-party guarantee when you want to buy or lease vehicles in the name of your business but need to secure additional financing. You act as a third-party guarantor. This allows you to keep your name off the title and may keep the debt off your personal credit. Keep in mind, if your business defaults, you may become liable and the debt may report to your personal credit. So they offer two different products. One that, it's a third-party guarantee, meaning you're going to put your own personal basically credit on the line. That's if you don't have enough business credit built up, but it doesn't report to your personal credit at all. So that's a good option if you don't have enough business credit built up. But then they offer underneath there, you can see business name only. So if your business qualifies for financing without the owner's guarantee, you can obtain financing in the business name only. This gives you the ability to save your personal credit for other use as well, and build credit in the business name, protect yourself from liability related to the operation of the vehicle. So, like I said, I've talked to them on the phone a couple of times, and they have call centers, outside the U.S., but finally getting to somebody that's in the U.S. and getting all the information. So you can't really apply directly through Ally. You have to go to the dealership, and it says find a local dealership. So what you want to do is click that button. I'll have all the links in the description below, but you're going to search by your zip code and like GMC, Ford, whatever type of vehicle you want to get, what brand you want to get, and then it's going to show what dealers they work with. So keep in mind, they said to be able to get the no personal guarantee, business name only, it has to be a dealership they work with. So that's why you have to find a local dealer, and they have to be on their list. So definitely check that out. As far as data points, I didn't really get a whole lot from them because they said every situation is different for businesses. They said you don't have to be in business for 2 years. They didn't give me a set time amount or time frame. They said it really depends on your business credit. So back to what I was saying before on the other video, if you didn't watch that one, make sure you watch it. But what you're going to need to have is like 7 to 8 trade lines reporting, on Experian and Dun and Bradstreet. Now, it looks like, I'm not 100% sure on this, but it looks like they pull Experian because one of the reps said they report to Experian Business. See how it says build credit in your business name? It says it right on their website. And I tried to ask them, who do they report to? And one lady said that she thought it was Experian Commercial. So, right at Ally. So that's something to keep in mind. But they definitely report to business credit bureaus because they say build credit in your business name, you know. So that's something to keep in mind. And as far as the requirements you're going to need, so you just want to go to one of the dealers they work with, and you want to make sure you bring your EIN letter with your for your INC, S corp, or LLC, and then make sure it's in good standing with the Secretary of State, of course. Then bring your Secretary of State incorporation documents for your LLC or your S corp or C corp. Bring a last 3 business bank statements, business license if you have one, if it's needed. And then go into the dealership, talk to the finance manager. Don't talk to the sales reps, talk to the finance manager. Ask to speak with the finance manager and tell them that you want to do the business name only, no PG, auto business finance. Or you can do a lease too. They offer leases, so you could do a lease, a 24-month lease, or a buying the vehicle, new or used. Used, it's going to have to be certain, miles, and can't be so, can't be very old. So the dealer can help you out with that as far as the requirements on that. But what I would advise doing is just print out this page, and just, you could just use the sniping tool or whatever, and just like that. So you could just show them, print this off, and just tell them, that you want to do the business name only, just so the finance manager knows what exactly you want to do, because it's not every day dealerships get people coming in wanting to do, no PG business auto financing that, it's not going to be affecting their personal credit at all. So make sure that you have, like I said, trade lines reporting on Dun and Bradstreet and Experian for sure. How many you really need, I can't really tell you that, but one thing I can tell you is a good rule of thumb is, like I said, 5 to 8 combined with Dun and Bradstreet and Experian, and you want to have at least one $5,000 to $10,000 trade line reported that was in the last 12 months for your business. Net 30 account, whatever it may be, you want to have one of those, 4 to 5 digit credit lines reporting on one of your Dun and Bradstreet or Experian business credit report. So as long as you have that, you should have pretty good chances to get approved. You also gonna need a down payment. That's gonna help, get it definitely, business name only, no PG. So I would say if you have like $3,000 to $5,000 down payment, that's a good amount to show. Have your business check account or whatever. You are going to need to get a business auto insurance policy right after they approve you. They're not going to let you, drive away without getting on the phone with Geico or Progressive or whoever and signing up for business auto insurance. But other than that, it should be no problem. And like I said, it's no PG. You just have to talk to the auto finance manager. Ally doesn't deal directly with the individuals or the business owners. They deal directly with the dealership. So you have to go to the dealership and tell them that you want to do a business name, no PG, auto loan, or lease, and show them all the documents. Like I said, talk to the finance manager, and you should be okay. As far as how long you need to be in business, I would say a minimum of 6 months. And I'm just saying that is minimum of 6 months because the lady at Ally Financial, she said that she couldn't give me, a set time frame on how long you need to be in business, because your business credit is the most thing that's weighted when they're, deciding to approve you or not for the business name only, no PG business auto loan. So she said she's seen applications get approved for new businesses that have a strong business credit profile, and then others that are 2-3 years old that have a, not so much business credit built up, but could not get them approved because they don't have enough trade lines built up. So that's what it comes down to is, get those trade lines built up if you want to do this. All right. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you're in the process of building business credit, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, turn the notifications on. Okay. And until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.